Last up in today's Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra Exynos benchmarks using PCMark 2.0 is for storage. And I don't actually expect this to change much from firmware to firmware, but it's still a good idea to get a baseline of what these numbers should be using the stock One UI firmware. Looks like the test crashed for some reason. Let's try that again. And another crash. Let's see if the third time is a charm. Alright, that time we got a storage score of 22,509. So that is the result of our PCMark 2.0 storage benchmark test on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra using the Exynos variant.